Okay, we got the oil pan off on this episode of the Pick and Pull 5/8. It spins, as you can see, it spins very freely. And that's all we wanted, because we just wanted a core to rebuild. And oddly, when we went to pick this up a couple of years ago, Pick and Pull had 5 trucks with 5.8 liter engines. 2 of the 5 spun freely. The other 3 were seized. And the one other one that spun freely was in a van. This was in a truck, which was much easier to pull out. So we went with this one. It is looking very dry on the bottom here. And you can't deny the burnt oil smell. But, like I said, all we need is a rebuildable core. And being that it spins freely, and it's never been rebuilt. I mean, there's no the pistons have no, they're standard size pistons. I'm just looking, I don't think the rods have been numbered. But anyway, that's his core to get rebuilt. And we'll fill you in when we get it back from the machine shop. All right, take care.